Hey there, my name is Chris Plouffe, MSP sales trainer and sales engineer here at Nerdio. I used to own my own MSP, I sold it, and now I get to help and educate other MSPs on how to become modern and successful. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your endpoints efficiently in our single portal inside of Nerdio Manager for MSP. By doing so, you'll be able to simplify your endpoint management in terms of configurations, remote control, visibility, and other everyday tasks, thus making life easier for you and your technicians. Now let me share my screen and we can get started. Now before I dive in, I think most of you know how annoying it can be using multiple different portals or having to switch back and forth to each different client when managing Intune devices. And now with Nerdio Manager for MSP, we brought it all into one place. And so our platform provides visibility, native and agentless control, and the ability to run tasks on all your Intune connected devices. All right, let's get started. Now the first view we're looking at here is inside our Nerdio Manager for MSP portal. This is considered the MSP or global view in our demo environment. And I'm going to click on Manage and go into a demo client. All right, once this loads up, we're going to click on Intune and go into Devices. And once inside, you're going to have this nice view here for all of your connected Intune devices. Now you can filter by compliance, you can filter by platform, you can check and uncheck different things, last seen. And then we have columns here so we can see compliance, we can see if configurations have been updated or apps pushed out. And we'll grab an example here under properties. Now once we're under properties, you'll see that you can see great information like Windows operating system versions, what type of AD joined, who's the owner, last check-in, and group memberships. You can also go into details and see more network information, storage, and your model and OS. This is always helpful because you can see your configuration profiles and your compliance policies. And you can see that by device or per user. So those are some examples there. You can see what updates are happening. Again, what OS version you are. We can see what applications are there or are supposed to be there based on device or user groups. We can see what scripts are supposed to run. So we click on device, we see an install script there. Defender is coming soon. But also this one is really neat because you get recovery keys. So if you're running BitLocker, you go in here and it will actually pull in your BitLocker recovery keys. All right, the next topic we're gonna cover are tasks. Now these are tasks that you can do on this Intune, this physical device or virtual device from within this portal. And most of these that you see here are also inside the Intune portal. We just pulled it in here to make it easier. So you can sync, restart, quick scan, even wipe, delete it, change the primary user. Here's your BitLocker key rotation. And even if you're connected to Defender, you can even come in here and do device isolation and other Defender tasks. Discovered apps, application reliability, all these great things here. When we go to discovered apps, we can see what's installed on this device. Another neat thing is we can go into users. We'll pull up everyone's favorite person, Tony, as an example. And inside here, we can see the configuration profiles and compliance policies and all the devices that are assigned to Tony, to this user. And then we can see all the things that are being configured or being pushed through compliance. One cool feature I'd like to talk about that's not in here yet is going to be our Console Connect, and this is coming soon, but what it's going to allow you to do is connect to a physical and virtual box and remote control it. So stay tuned to that because there's a lot of great stuff in there. The last thing I'd like to cover is our global views. So inside our MSP or global view here, we created a device dashboard. Now this is going to pull in all the devices across all of our demo clients. And so if you had, say, 30 clients with a ton of devices, you can see them all in one view. And that way you can look at all the statuses of what you're needing to do. And so this comes in really handy for your cloud technicians or your support desk to be able to come in here and check compliance, check updates, and check all the different things related to device management. Okay, now you know how to manage client endpoints in Nerdio Manager for MSP. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more demos on our YouTube channel and on our help site, nmmhelp.getnerdio.com, or reach out to us directly for a demo or any questions at getnerdio.com. Thank you.